St. Albans is getting into the holiday spirit coming up this weekend. The Rail City is a day away from its 9th annual tractor parade. ABC 22's Sam Israel spoke with those in the farming community about the importance of the parade.
All your towing and roadside recovery needs.
On Friday night, the streets of St. Albans will sparkle with tractors decked out in holiday lights.
Put the pajamas on the kids, bundle them up, and bring them to this fantastic parade. It's just a magical night for everybody.
But behind each tractor lies a Vermont dairy farmer.
It's a great way to say thank you. I mean, these are the farmers that produce nutritious milk that we consume every day.
Around 60 farmers will join this year's festivities, promising a beautiful show for those who stop by.
Farmers of Franklin County and beyond are doing this to thank the community for supporting them all the years that they've been there.
Anson Tebbets, Vermont's Secretary of Agriculture, says this year has been a challenging one for dairy farmers amidst July's historic flooding.
It speaks to the sort of the grit and the determination and the hard work and perseverance of the farm community that they can still put on this parade despite all the challenges that they have faced and are still facing.
Tebbets says dairy farmers could use your help, so they can help you.
Keep buying Vermont dairy. Keep buying Vermont milk, cheese, butter, yogurt.
The fun will start at 6 p.m., and it's expected to last about an hour. Those who want to attend are encouraged to arrive early. In St. Albans, Sam Israel, ABC 22 News.